Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to access private photos on a Realme phone. Welcome to our channel. Today I'd like to show you how to see private photos on Realme. There are two ways to do this. The easiest is to launch the default Photos app and touch and hold the bottom bar. To access your private save or hidden media, enter your privacy password. If you don't have one, the system will ask you to set it up before hiding photos. Here you'll find all your concealed pictures and media. The second way is to type the dial access code you set up, for example -134-. This gives you access to the hidden apps list and the private safe as well. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye.